a video recording of him swearing the affidavit.
Kurigana na wira mweru uri uheanitwo mbere ya jaji Aggrey Muchelule ni wakiri wa Ngavana Mutua Waweru Gatonye. Maratathi ma ciira maria Wavinya Ndeti atwarite igoti-ini akiuga moimite kuri Wakiri Kiplagat maronania thairi ithatu ciri na utiganu munene. Kumana na uhithuria ucio riu jaji Muchelule narutite mukana akiuga kuonekana ti Wakiri Kiplagat wekirite thairi maratathi-ini macio ciira Wavinya Ndeti no kuharagana.
We would like to put in an affidavit by Mr. Regina, and if allowed, we would also like him to come and testify before the court. He is also an officer of the court.
Wakiri Gatonye erite igoti marina wira makiria wa kuonania ati Wakiri Kiplagat ndekirire thairi maratathi ma Wavinya Ndeti na uguo akori igoti rite ataramu niguo moke mathuri me thairi icio.
I'm going to indicate shortly. We bring the original ID card. They'll bring their LSK identity card in its origin. They'll bring a letter from the Chief Justice appointing them to be commissioners for oaths.
Mweneni wake Wavinya Ndeti ni atetiririe ati Wakiri Kiplagat niwe wekirire thairi maratathi ma ciira wake. Kabini ha Kimemia TV, jitagwo Maina, Kihumo.